What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sexy Lawn Surgeon, and as you can see right here is my trailer. And if you haven't noticed, my trailer is jacked up. Has holes in it and everything. And so today I got something. I actually bought it last year, but I've never opened it. I still have everything for it, and we're going to use it to fix this trailer. So with that being said, you know what today is. New gears on deck. Bam! Yes, people, I got a welder. I got the helmet, got the gloves, got new wire. Romeo told me to get this wire because the wire that comes in there sucks. Got my pick, got everything I need. For those who didn't know, I used to actually know how to weld back in 2002. Almost 20 years ago. So but as you can see, my trailer is jacked up. It's slowly came apart. As you can see, pretty much nowhere on the side is this mesh connected. There's areas where it's folded. There's areas where it's bent in like this. This big gaping hole right there. And so that's what I'm gonna attempt to fix. I'm gonna try to bend this stuff back straight and slowly but surely kind of work on it. So that's why I figured I'd buy me a welding machine. I bought it last year because got this big old trailer. So instead of paying somebody to weld, I just reteach myself how to weld. So let's crack all this stuff up. All right, people, finally got the spool on. That was a hassle, but hey, you gotta learn. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tap it and do a little test weld just to see, I get used to the machine and before I even start welding stuff. So let's get this ready. Alright people, it took me a while to get my little speed right, but because back in the day when I used to weld, I was a tack welder and I used to tack weld. So And I used to use sticks. For those who well know what I'm talking about. So it was kind of ugly up there, but once I wasn't scared of it and started to turn that speed up, got a little used to it. And then another thing, this helmet, I'm basically welding in the dark. This helmet is like an automatic helmet where once I start welding it gets dark, but this thing is absolutely too dark. So I gotta figure out how to, if I can figure out how to adjust this helmet. And I think 7's gonna be my lucky number 7 on this bad boy. Then I'm gonna grind this out. I'm gonna try to weld it again, see if I get a better bead. Alright people, I decided to forego the formalities of trying to get a perfect bead. It's been 20 years, people. I'm not gonna get a perfect bead. I'm not gonna get a perfect weld, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna weld this bad boy back into shape. As you can see, pretty sturdy. So I'm not trying to win no trophies, just trying to get my trailer back in shape. But that's all I'm gonna film for today. I will show y'all the end results. Have to go somewhere today, so I gotta get cleaned up and get out of here. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes sir.